Hi everyone, I am Dr.Lakshmikanth Charan, consultant intensivist at Royal Care Super Speciality Hospital. I am pleased to announce that we are conducting Criticima 2025. It is a course on basics of managing a critically ill patient at any center. It is conducted by experienced critical care physicians from Royal Care Super Speciality Hospital in conjunction with Indian Medical Association and its AMS wing. This is the second edition. The previous one that we did in 2023 was well received and it had overwhelming feedbacks from physicians of varied specialties.
Where primary and secondary care are being given. In depth it was explained to us and we were given very good hands-on training so that we can practice in our place with more confidence and more positive results.
அந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் ஒரு பெரிய ரெஃப்ரெஷராக எனக்கு இருந்துச்சு. அந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் ரொம்ப ஒரு இன்ட்ராக்டிவ் செஷனாக இருந்துச்சு. மார்னிங் தியரிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட் இருக்கும், அதுவும் நல்லா கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் செஷன் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. மத்தியானம் அதே காலையில் படித்த தியரிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட்டோட ப்ராக்டிக்கல் எக்ஸ்போஷருக்காக ஒர்க் ஷாப் மாதிரி கண்டக்ட் பண்ணாங்க. இட் வாஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் மீ.
The course spans over 6 months, starting from August 31st. We usually have classes on last Sundays of every month. It is conducted in Royal Care Hospital, Coimbatore. It includes lectures in the morning and workstations with hands-on experience in the afternoon. The course is a structured program and it is designed for clinicians who take care of critically ill patients day to day, like general practitioners, general physicians, nursing home practitioners, anesthetists, surgeons, emergency physicians, and all postgraduates. The course covers basics of all critical care topics: trauma, fluid management, poisoning, sepsis, airway management, mechanical ventilation, and management of critically ill scenarios, all with hands-on experience in an interactive way. On completion, we provide a certificate of completion and are eligible for TNMC credit points. Only limited seats are available. Kindly make use of this opportunity and register for the course. Thank you.